Hello Peter and Tristan, what will we talk about?
Today we walk about the velocity and acceleration in physics.
Did you learn about velocity and acceleration in University Physics I class before?
We took University Physics I class and understood the important concepts of velocity and acceleration when we were in college.
That's good to hear.
Here's the concept of speed and velocity.
We read the definition of speed, velocity and instantaneous velocity in this PowerPoint slide. We read the definition of speed, velocity and instantaneous velocity in this PowerPoint slide.
Yes. We knew what important concepts and definition of speed and velocity at the University Physics I class.
I was good at these concepts of speed and velocity, and these concepts were easy.
Me too, Willow.
Me 3.
What's about the important formula of velocity?
That's good question, and we will go next slide in PowerPoint.
This formula shows you how to calculate the average velocity. The average velocity is the rate of displacement over time. Is this formula useful?
Yes, it is useful.
That's good to hear, and let's go to next slide. Let's take a look at the example of average velocity. This formula shows you how to calculate the average speed in PowerPoint. The average speed is the rate of distance over time.
We knew how to solve the average speed problem at University Physics I class when I was in college.
Let's take a look at the example of average speed. Did you take calculus class before?
Yes, we took the calculus class and learned about the limit in calculus. This formula shows you how to use the limit to solve the velocity problem.
That's correct, Willow. Did you learn the concepts of acceleration at University Physics I class before?
Yes, we understood the important concepts of acceleration and knew the definition of it very well.
That's good to hear, and we will go to next slide in this PowerPoint. This formula shows you how to calculate the average acceleration. The average acceleration is the rate of displacement over time. Is this useful?
Yes. We learned how to solve the average acceleration problem, which is very interesting.
That's good to hear.
Let's take a look at the example of average acceleration.
This physics formula is useful in calculus. Did you understood this formula before?
Yes, I think this physics formula is helpful in calculus. We knew how to use calculus to solve the acceleration problem.
That's good point, Preston. Did you understand one of these physics formula?
Yes. One of these physics formulas was very useful, and we understood one of these physics formulas very well.
Let's take a look at the example of constant acceleration. The object will fall down to the ground. This is example of free fall acceleration. Did you know this important concept of free fall acceleration?
Yes, we understood many important concepts of velocity and acceleration, including free fall acceleration. Free fall acceleration is vertical.
We look at the example of free fall acceleration in this PowerPoint slide. That's it for today, and we talk about velocity and acceleration in PowerPoint.